So over here, let me just go ahead and bring in a shape right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and bring in this particular shape, then this is what you have. Do you have a shape right here? So what you can do with the shape is that you can also work around with its stroke easily. So to do that, you can go ahead and change around the width of the stroke right here, the pixel of the stroke, and choose the type of stroke that you want, and choose the color of the stroke as well. Apart from that, you can choose the pattern right here. You can choose the gradient as well. You can even apply out gradients right here as strokes, as you can see right here. And you can also choose reflected and then work around with diamond and change around the gradient right here, just like this as well for the stroke. Or you can simply go for a plain stroke or a pattern stroke and change around the angle of the stroke as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and choose a plain stroke right here for reference, and then you can go ahead and change around the position of the stroke as well. So let me just go ahead and change around the size of the stroke right here, and you can see that the stroke actually starts from the center of this particular shape right here. But you can go ahead and, let's say for example, change it to inside of the particular shape and outside of the particular shape as well. And you can center it out as well. So apart from that, you can see that the corners are actually very pointy right here, but you can go ahead and make them round right here, or you can cut them off as well. And you can also add in dash shapes, as you can see right here, but that is more seen right here, more clear on, let's say for example, in a smaller level right here, just like this. And you can choose different styles, as you can see right here. And even for the dashes right here, you can choose it to be blunt or straight, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is what you have. So if I were to go around over here and bring in, let's say for example, a line right here, simply a line, you can go around and choose around the dash right here, and then you can go around and make it blunt as you want as well. So let's just go around over here and make it a straight line right here, and you can make it blunt at the end, or let's say for example, really sharp at the end right there, just like that as well. So that is how you can go around and work around with these shape stroke styles inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.